Cease and desist letters posted on the doors of two Hoover massage parlors, and now the owner of the both are behind bars. Chow Hui Du Quinn taken into custody on two prostitution charges today. Police say she owns Lily Massage on Meadow Lake Drive and Angel Spa on Montgomery Highway. Both locations searched by officers today following a months-long investigation into information from concerned residents. Quinn was taken to the Hoover City Jail, was being expected to be extradited to Shelby County Jail this evening on a $6,000 bond.